Poor air quality, definitely it can impact your health. If you just calculate the liters of air you breathe in and day out, and the number of hours you spend indoors, there is every reason for it to be to cause you issues. Take these conditions, if you really want to understand, we had this virus going around lately. Most of the infections took place indoor, and it was transmitted by air and not by touch. But that should be enough reason for you to understand how air can transmit disease, can transmit allergies, sicknesses, and the quality of air you keep will determine how successful you are in maintaining and controlling that.